Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. I hope you have done the question answers of chapter number 3. Let's move on to assignments of chapter 3. The very first question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Beta, Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Okay. The next question is, who found the real book and from where? See, beta, these questions can be asked in the form of extract and in multiple choice questions. So, go through the chapter carefully. See, Tommy found the real book and from the attic of his house. Now, what do you understand by attic? It is the upper room in your house. You can say a room in upstairs. Okay. What do you mean by yellow and crinkly? Now, beta, yellow refers to old and crinkly refers to wrinkled. See, when the book is old, quite old, then its pages become yellow after years, and when we are using the book constantly, it gets wrinkles on its pages. That's why the word old and wrinkled is being used. The book that Tommy found was approximately 150 years old. It's quite a long time. Therefore, its pages were yellow and crinkly. I hope you are clear with it. Let's move on to question number 4. Had Margie ever seen a real book before and why? See, Margie had never seen a real book before because she had a mechanical teacher who taught her through telebooks. She's not having any normal teacher like you people, human teacher. She was having a mechanical teacher, or you can say computer teacher, that used to teach her in her house through telebooks. Now, what is a telebook? The next question is this one only. Telebook is a collection of books which can be displayed on the screen. See, beta, the coming generation children will be reading through telebooks. They're talking about for the future timings. Okay. Next question. What was Margie's reaction when she heard about the school? See, if I ask you about the school, some children will be excited, some will be scornful. What do you mean by scornful? When you are displeased with something, when you are not happy to hear anything. Okay. So Margie was surprised when she heard about school, because she hated the school a lot and did not want to listen anything. Why she hated her school now? Because she was performing bad in geography and her teacher was giving her test again and again. This increased her hatred as she was not able to perform well. So that's why she hated her school. Now, what was the real book about? The real book was about the schools of ancient times, or you can say the time that we are reading in, that we are dealing with. Okay, the chapter is based on the future time. Now, question number 8. What did Margie ask Tommy, on which he replied without looking at her? You have to go to the book and then find out the line where it is. See, when Margie was inquiring Tommy where he had found the book, Tommy replied without looking at her that he had found the book in the attic of his house. I hope you are clear with the word attic. Okay, do remember it. This question can be asked in extract form, or you can say simply also. So go through them. Write these question answers in your fair notebook and learn them too. Okay. After finishing the assignments, we are going to conduct a written test. Good day, students.